You can see that the installation process is complete, right? And some of you have graphical user interface, so I can type enter again. But that's fine. Either way works, okay? This is text window, text mode installation process, or graphical mode. Either way will work. Then we can go here. We can go here to check. Okay, let me show you. CD OPT. If you cat ads.csh, you will see this is the environment setting. So we just need to set up this. Okay, so we can modify this. But the license port is different. The license port is 1900. This is another new. And, okay, so we can go here. OPT EDA VI-C EDA. Then we can go to path setting. Here we need to set this. We need to set this equal to OPT EDA ADS. Let me see. OPT LS -L LS -L OPT EDA lowercase ADS. Okay, so this directory. Then we add this to our path setting. HPEESOFDIR. Then we need to export license to. Oh, sorry. We need to add a bin here. Bin. Then we need to go to license setting, export ADS license file equal to 1900. Okay. Then we can source OPT EDA bash RC EDA and ADS. I don't know. I haven't used this software before. Okay. LIVXCVIS. So this time it shows you this error. So we can configure the environment here and test ADS environment setting is this two. Okay, please follow my procedure to this problem and we will try to solve this again.